Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This was in the classic white. This will never show its age. Just a beautiful boat. Look at the lines here. This comes with its own Sea Ray trailer. Has the foldable tongue so we can put this in the garage. A lot of detail here. Look at that. Very beautiful boat. A lot of fun's going to be had on this one. Chrome rub rails, that iconic Sea Ray emblem. Great trailer. Again, the 190 SPX. This is a 2020 model. Has the gray sea deck. Mercury 150 horsepower engine. Ladder for boarding from swimming. 12-volt outlet here. Great sun pad. Ski pylon. As we enter the boat, got companion chair, helm chair. This has the raised bolsters. Here at the instrument cluster, has a Simrad, depth finder, tilt steering wheel, fusion radio. Does have Bluetooth capability. They have additional power points down here for charging devices. Built-in cooler here. Under the sun pad. It's a ton of storage. This does come with the mooring cover, so we can cover this up when we're not using it. Plenty of cup holders throughout. Glove box here that does have storage and is lockable. Additional storage here. Great boat. So a lot of fun's going to be had on this one, guys. Please come down to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. You can reach me at 850-292-1559. Again, 850-292-1559. Please come down to Gulf Shores to MarineMax. Check us out. We've got plenty of boats, as you can see. Thank you very much. We'll look forward to seeing you. Bye.